Hey, in this video I will show you how to use Wispr Flow, the voice to text app that turns your speech into clean, polished writing in any app. I will cover how to set it up, how to clean up fillers, words and format your text automatically, and how to use it across emails, docs and messaging. If you're tired of typing and want to write faster using just your voice, this video will get you fully set up. Let's get started. Just go to Google, search for Wispr Flow and just go and click on this first link here. Now here we are into Wispr Flow landing page. Now the first thing that let me show you, it's free, completely free for the first 14 days and you don't need to add your card. After that you have to buy this subscription. Now if I just go and check the microphone guide, it's pretty simple. You don't need a some kind of equipments to use this application. No, completely no. You can just talk and it will just automatically grab your words and write it and format in a pretty much suitable structure. By the way, this application is available on phone as well as on PC, right? Or any kind of tablet, right? That is available. Now simply I can just go and click on download for Windows. I'm using download. If you're using Mac, then you can use it in your Mac. Now we have to create an account. So I will just go and use Google. It's downloading. Let's wait for a few seconds. If it's not working, you can always click on try again. It's done. Now let's open the setup. All right, now it's installed. Now we will just go and click on sign in by our browser and in just few seconds, it's done. Now we are logged in. Now let's click on open Wispr Flow. Let's just open it up and here we are. So obviously it just took my name from email. Now where did you hear about, just a survey. I will just go and select. By the way, you can select and you can give a name here. Let's pretty much simple. I will just go and select here. Now click on continue. Tell us about yourself. So what you do, are you a writer, educator, consultant, or just nothing, or you're just checking this out? So I will just go and click on student of life here. Where do you spend your time typing? So I usually write a lot of notes, right? So I can just go and select here or chatting with AI. You can select more than one option, writing documents, right? Or something else, or sending messages. And let's click on continue. You control your data. So if you don't want to give any kind of data to improve their application, you can just go and select your privacy mode. Now I will just go and select here. Now it will check that our microphone is working properly or not. So if you're using any kind of earphone or headphone, you can check your volume here and you can change your microphone directly. So there are a lot of equipments which I've attached to my laptop here. So I can just go and choose up directly from here, right? It's working properly fine here. Even though if you're not using any kind of equipments, it's pretty much okay. Automatically it will grab your audio. Now once you're done, let's click on okay. Now do you use any other kind of language? Yes, I do. So I will just go and select here Hindi. That's my Hindi and there's a English. Let's click on save. Again here I will just go and search for Hindi. That's another language which I know here, right? And once you're done, let's click on continue. So do this button turn purple while pressing them. This is a shortcut key, that is control plus control plus start, and yeah, it does turn into purple. Let's click on yes. Now you can also attach Wispr Flow to all this application which you use, for example ChatGPT, Claude, Slack and whatever you want. So here hold control plus windows to say something. So this is a shortcut key. Now in my keyboard, if I press control and my windows, that is a start, right, then automatically it will start working and it will start catching my voice and it will start typing, right? So I just pressed it and here don't tap, press and hold. So it's a press and hold thing. So if you just press it up, control plus windows, hey, I'm using this Wispr Flow, it is working properly fine or not, right? I just spoken and in just few seconds you can see here, hey, I'm using Wispr Flow, it is working properly fine or not. Pretty much it grab exactly same, right? So it's working properly fine. Now write an email hand free. So here I'll just press here. Okay, once again, control plus windows. Hey, I'm using this email and I don't know what to say here. So I'm just checking this out whether this is working properly fine or not. If this is working properly fine, then pretty much you will grab all my audio and write it in proper structure, in proper words. I hope this is working. This is just a tutorial. This is just a test by Ranjit from Filex Express stream. Now let's see that whether it grabbed it or not. Alright, it is working here. Now it just grabbed my average typing speed, which is 50 words per minute, but my voice, the speed of my voice is pretty much 3.7x faster than my typing speed. Obviously this is pretty much common, that's why I'm using Wispr Flow, because it saves me a lot of time here. So you can just select with Wispr Flow, you could save, if I'm just typing for 10 hours a day, I can save literally 50 hours. That's pretty much crazy. Okay, so now we are done and this is a referral link. You can give your referral link here and let's click on finish, right? Now I will just go and click on try it now. Now we have to simply press here and open ChatGPT or any app. Okay, so I can even access the application directly from here. So for example, let's test this up. Open ChatGPT. Can you open it up or not? Oh, open ChatGPT. Can you open it up or not? Okay, that's pretty much taking all this whatever I am speaking here. Try Flow in another application. So before going to another application, let me show you this as an insight. So pretty much it will give you how many words you have spoken and how much time you have saved and the daily streak and everything. So yeah, it's completely up to you that whether you want to use it or not. Your dictionary. So this is one of the cool feature which I like about Wispr Flow, because obviously it's recording. I mean, Wispr Flow is listening to my words, how I speak and the words which I use often. So here, this is what kind of words I will use. Pretty much it will add it up. So I can just go and click on add new and correct misspelling. It means that when unable, this turn your custom words into a correction rule. Flow will automatically replace the incorrect version when it's dictated. So yeah, this is the feature which I really like. So I will just click on turn it on. Now, for example, whenever I use say Claude, I want Claude, right? So I can just go and click on turn on. By the way, you can use Wispr Flow with your team, right? So you can just go and click on invite your team or make a new team. You can make separate teams here and you can add it and just add dictionary with your team. This is snippets. So save text you type often and email into a prompt, then say a word to drop it instantly. For example, if you're adding a link, so I can just say my LinkedIn, automatically it will add my LinkedIn link here. Same way, rewrite prompt. So rewrite this to be more concise. So I can just create shortcut for very long sentences, right? I don't know how much people want to save time, but yeah, this is pretty much cool and new feature here. So I can just go and create my new short custom snippets, right? And this is style. So this means that set up different writing styles for different apps. So for example, when I use Claude or when I use ChatGPT, I need to give them context so I can just be more raw so that AI can understand how I want, right? Or if I'm using JSON prompting, then I can start personalizing for it. So I can just go here, formal, casual, very casual. So for example, if I'm using email, I can just go very formal here, right? So let's click on formal, and yes, this is how it is done. And then let's click on next. Now it's done, right? Now this is next feature, which is my transform. So apply a transform to rewrite, clean up, or restructure text after you dictate. So obviously when I speak, sometimes the sentences and the words which I'm speaking is not in proper grammatical format, right? So I can just go and click on try it now, and automatically, this is an example, make a blog post about our new cold brew coffee. Now here, write a blog post about our new cold brew coffee. So automatically it polished, and this is prompt engineering. So I can just go and click on try it out. So let's click on here. Hey, I don't know what to say, but I hope I'm speaking everything right and correct. All right, now let's click on next here. Now if I want to transform, then Windows Alt plus 1. So here, and it started polishing, right? So turn on transform. Okay, I guess it cannot do it for now, but after I turn off this video recording, obviously it can do. Now let me show you how you can use in another application. So let's click on get started here, chat with AI, take notes and whatever you want. Now let's click on try now, open ChatGPT or any AI app. So let's click on here, open ChatGPT or any AI app. Okay, I guess it's not opening. What's the issue here? I will just open ChatGPT by myself here. Let's open the ChatGPT, and you can see here this icon is always available. So even when I am on my browser, it's available, right? So for example, if I'm writing something here, hey, I'm writing something here, hold control down while speaking. Oh, I forgot. Hey, I'm writing something here, can you write it something here? Oh yeah, it can. So that is pretty much interesting, obviously. So I just need to press Control plus Start. This is my shortcut key and I can just type it anywhere. This is ChatGPT. I'm working in a project and I want to write prompts for it. So this is just an example. Can how AI is useful? Okay, just tell me that is 5.6 better than Claude Fable, and I just want a raw, honest opinion. Okay, and it did. Now let's click on enter, and it's pretty much started working, right? So this is the best thing which I found about Wispr Flow. Now I will just go to Google here and I will just erase it. What is AI? Oh, it's working. So this is how you can use Wispr Flow and use it in your system. And this is a best example, pretty much very, very easy and very simple application. If you found this video, you can obviously like this video and subscribe, and bye-bye.